So the first step is I put rocks in the bottom because animals can actually knock this over. So you want to make sure that you have enough rocks in the bottom that animal like a raccoon cannot knock it over. The other thing you might notice is I put a hole in there and I put a hole in there, and we're going to use those later. So you'll see that there's a hole, pre-made punched hole. And what I came up with is, you'll see I drilled 2 holes and I just put a regular twist tie through that. And then what I did is I took the trap, and it might be a little hard to see. Let's see if we can get that. But you'll see that I put the twist tie through the holes so that this doesn't go anywhere. And now when it goes in the trap, and then the final thing to keep this from apart, because once again an animal can just lift this up like a raccoon to get into the water, which is how the traps usually get out. But you'll see that I drilled 2 holes, one there and one there, and what I'm going to do is use that to secure the entire plastic lid to the bucket, because if you remember, I drilled a hole over here and then I drilled a hole over there. So here's the last step. You'll see the wire goes through the hole at the bottom, and then it goes up, and then it goes through the top, comes across, and now it comes back down to the bottom. There's another hole there, and this won't go anywhere, and because it has the rocks, it's sturdy. And if for some reason it does come apart, I also have the track hooked in, and this is a much more safe, animal-friendly solution for the mosquito trap.